We'll do it together. Good morning. Cairo and I are just checking out the beach this morning. Yeah, it's a bit rainy. We've been going out for walks on the beach the last couple of weeks or so, and Cairo was really itching to get out this morning, so just brought my rain gear and we're just gonna go walking on the beach. There you go, yeah. Yeah, puppies. While I listened to the ocean waves release their hefty sigh onto the beach and observed the birds hovering in the wind, I could not help but think of the memory I was creating. The memories that have been lost to time, and the many things I take for granted every day. Here, in this moment, I was allowing freedom for my dog, for myself, to be present and enjoy the taste of life. This is a precious memory, one I hope to keep and cherish many years from now. So I create and record to document what life means to me. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Oh. All right, not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. Hey. Oh. Stop. So let's pause right here for a moment. Our journey is coming to a close shortly. But before that, I want to take a moment to point out the unbridled joy of a dog exploring at full tilt. No inhibitions. Free. Feeling the instinct and listening to it. I believe we could all use a little more of that. Cue the close of our adventure. It's the lengthiest walk we've done on the beach so far. Oh yeah, I'm happy with that. Gotta take those moments when they come, have those adventures. Sometimes they're really exciting. Sometimes they're just okay. Sometimes they suck. But you know, for me, life would be really disappointing without these adventures. There's just something about discovery, not having a plan, being resourceful, making it work, that just makes me feel alive. So I keep doing it. And the dog loves it too.